Hi friends, welcome to New Business Ideas. Today we look in this video how to start a cattle feed manufacturing business on small scale. Talking about the cattle feed manufacturing business can be a profitable business running in all of India because it is highly seen that people do poultry farming, goat farming, cow rearing business and buffalo rearing businesses. And to promote the proper growth and milk production of animals, they need to be given proper nutritious cattle feed, for which they give the best cattle feed to their animals. And due to this, the demand for animal feed, cattle feed, is high. In the cattle feed business, protein-rich animal feed is prepared for animals by mixing or grinding grains, soy cotton seed. There are different processes in this. So if someone wants to do the business of making animal feed, then here in this video, we will tell you in detail about the cattle feed manufacturing business. Market opportunity for cattle feed. In India, cattle feed industry dependent on the sound growth of cattle has great unstopped potential. The potential for packaged feed is expected to grow at a higher pace as compared with traditional feed. In India, the cattle feed industry is growing at a CAGR of 8% per year, with poultry, aqua and dairy industries responsible for the feed demand. According to a statistic, only 20.3 million tons of cattle feed were produced in the financial year 2012-13, which was a very less amount of the total required feed. As this industry is becoming more and more organized, more opportunities are becoming available in this sector, and it is expected that India will become the largest feed market in the next few years. So we can conclude a small-scale cattle feed manufacturing business is a techno-commercially profitable project. Business investment. If you talk about investment in it, then investment in it depends on the land and business. First of all, if you are starting this business inside your own homeland, then a little you can start this business with investment or do this business by renting or buying land. For setting up this industry, you have to invest 10 to 15 lakh rupees of capital. In this, you will have to buy all types of machines. Depends on the business. If you are doing business with cotton seed, then fewer machines are required. And if you are doing business with other cattle feed, then more machine is required inside it. And the machine cost is around 5 to 10 lakh rupees. And also, you will also have to hire some workers to set up this industry. License and permissions for business. In starting this business, you will need to obtain different registration and licenses from the government authority. Here we put some of the basic requirements. However, it is advisable to check your state law. Must be licensed by Animal Husbandry Department. Food license FSSAI will have to be taken. GST registration has to be done. Udyog Aadhar registration will have to be done for MSME. Shop Act or trade license. NOC will have to be taken from the Pollution Control Board. BIS certification will also have to be taken as per ISI standards. Finally, you can protect your brand name through trademark registration. Land selection for the business. Land for cattle feed manufacturing business, just as an investment, depends on the business. In the same way, the land also depends on the business. The bigger the business starts inside it, the more land is needed, and less land is needed inside the small business is needed. Generally, you can start this manufacturing business with an area of 600 square feet. In addition, you must provide utilities like electricity and water supply. And you also want your site to be as close to your suppliers as possible. Raw materials for cattle feed manufacturing. It is important to plan for bulk buying in harvest seasons, for plant-based materials for the best prices, in your business plan. Wheat bran, groundnut extraction or cake, rice bran extraction or cotton seed bran, maize, damaged wheat, cotton seed, molasses, salt, calcium carbonate, mineral mixture and vitamin mix and more. And you will get raw materials in the market for rupees 12 to 15 per kilogram. Also, you can buy raw materials from the online market like the website of IndiaMart. Required machinery and equipment. If the entrepreneur wants to produce various products related to cattle feed on a large scale, then he may need to follow machinery and equipment. Mixer with a minimum capacity of 100 kg. Grinder with equipment. Pulverizer with tools. Starter and other equipment with 10 HP motor. Weight measuring instrument. Bag sewing machine. Other hand operated equipment. You can also buy all cattle feed making machines online from the website of IndiaMart or Alibaba.com. Manufacturing process of cattle feed. Cattle feed is manufactured by mixing the raw materials with the desired amount of nutrients suitable for the health of the cattle. Although the manufacturing process may be different depending on the raw material used and the machines and equipment used. In this manufacturing process, the raw materials are first ground one by one, that is, individually, and then it is put in a mixer machine for mixing so that the entrepreneur can get a homogeneous mixture. And after homogeneous mixing, this mixture is sent to the pulverizing machine for pulverizing. The mixture is then passed through a screening machine to obtain the required particle in the process. And only then comes the feed added to it. Now when animal fodder is prepared, then it is sent to the laboratory to check whether the product conforms to the Bureau of Indian Standards. Cattle feed is sent to the market for sale only after passing the inspection. How to market the cattle feed? In cattle feed production, you will need to identify various ways of the market and distribute the product. You should market your animal feed in all the shops in rural towns. Along with this, it should be distributed in rural towns by printing pamphlets, so that farmers and other livestock owners can know about your animal feed. If your marketing budget is high, you can also advertise on TV, radio, and in the newspaper. This will let everyone know about your animal feed and will speed up sales. You can show your animal feed to the farmers by setting up your stall at the cattle fair. You can promote it. Also, livestock feed is also considered an export-oriented product, so you can go for international shipment. You will benefit a lot from this. If you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope in this video it helped you to initiate your own business. If you liked the video, please give it a like and comment. Thank you for watching, friends. For more business ideas, subscribe to New Business Ideas.